Okay, so this is my first banding. I did 2 strand twists because for my hair, it works easier. I can still get to the roots. So this is how I'm looking. Yes, darling. Okay, bye. The next day, this is my banding. I did a good job of banding. My daughter helped me with the very one in the back because it was hard to reach that. And so now I'm just going to go through and take these out. Baby. Okay, so first off, ooh, girl. Okay, look at this hair. Look at what it's given. Okay. Yes. Yes. And more yes. And I have nothing on my hands. I washed my hands prior to unbinding my hair. And this is the result of my unbind. I did 2 strand twists because for me, braiding my hair, it's just harder for it to come out. I feel like I put more stress on my hair when I braid. And then 2 strand twists, it just has always been easier with my hair. Girl, the volume. Okay, like, so I do get some hair like this. But I go to my appointment tomorrow. I just took that right on back because I don't know if that's like budding or what that is exactly. But yeah, I made sure that when I took the locks out, that at the roots, I tried to separate them as much as possible, gently, of course, to make sure they wasn't bonding, locking together. I had more issue with the hair that's loose because my hair is naturally coily. And so a lot of hair was like, hey, what's up? We're going to become friends. I had to like break that up. I'm like, I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all can't be friends just yet. But look. I love it. Yes. So now this is day 13. So I do still have my baby lock in. She stayed. I was really shocked. I was expecting for her to maybe go away, but she stayed. On my face and get out of here because I have to go to my shop. All right. Love and peace. Peace and love. Peace and love. Peace and love. I'm just excited, y'all. Day 13. All right. Okay. Bye.